guys, welcome back to a video. In today's video, I am showing you how to make an ear rape or a bad sounding microphone. Now, I do want to make a warning. Whenever you see this symbol on the screen right now, it means I'm about to do ear rape or a bad sound. So I would suggest turn down your volume or maybe unplug your headphones or anyways. But you've been warned, so now that's out of the way. I'll show you guys how this works. Now this is a program called Equalizer APO. Now, and basically, as soon as you download it, there'll be a link in the description. Once you download it, I'll be right back. Okay, yeah. So there'll be a link in the description. You go Equalizer APO. Download. It should be sourceforge.net. sourceforge.net/project/equalizer APO. This is what it will send you to. Hit download. Now it should start. Hit desktop or whatever. I would suggest hitting desktop so you can just run it from your desktop. Now, when you click it, this should actually start to install it. Now, once you install it, here, I'm just going to do it for you guys. Once you install it, you can go through the settings. I agree. Okay, now these program files. You want program files, so keep it like that. Or if it's not program files, set it to program files by hitting browse. Then go to local disk and go to program files, and then hit OK. And then you can see it goes to program files. That's where you want it. But I already have it, so you can see if I go to program files. Equalizer APO is already there, so yeah, you can see it will already be there. For me, won't be for you. Do not create shortcuts. Yes, you don't have to actually click that. Hit install, and yeah, so ignore, no, abort. So yeah, that it will basically install. After that, you have to go into folders. Now you have to go to this PC. Go into local disk and go to programs files times 86 or just regular files. Mine's in regular files. You can see Equalizer APO. Go into this. Now, you'll need two things, configurator and editor. Configurator, hit yes, is where you will make so you can hear your bad sounding microphone. So for instance, the speakers, this is the speakers I use. It can be installed, you can see, and that will basically make it so any sound you play, your speakers will have a bad sound to that sound. But I'm not having that. I only have it from my microphone. You can see LCS. This is what I'm using for recording right now. You can see it is already installed. Now, once you hit that, you can see there's an OK button. Once you hit that, you have to restart your entire PC. Restart it. Once that's restarted, you go into the editor. Now this is what I showed you at the beginning, but I've made a shortcut. So what I do is I just did create shortcut. Then it said Windows can't place a shortcut here. Do you want to be placed on the desktop? I hit yes. There it is. But I already have a shortcut, which is this. So I don't need that. So you can X out of that. Hit this, and you can see. Get warning right now. I'm going to turn it on. You can see you can raise the sound. And this is basically the sound of an ear rape. It's really loud, so I'm going to turn it back down. So you can do that, or you can actually, write it down. So, for instance, another warning. See? Now it's working. Okay. You can also turn down your sound. So let's say your microphone is a bit too loud. You can turn it actually down. And this works for actually Discord. It actually works for Discord. I've tried it in Discord and it actually works. You guys know sometimes the OBS settings. You can see, here's my normal microphone. You can turn it down and make it quieter. So you can see I'm really quiet. And then you can also go into here, go to advanced audio properties and actually turn this up. But this is for all programs inputting your mic. So my voice should be really quiet right now. Turn that to 0. Now it should be normal. Yeah, so basically this works for Discord, any type of program like Skype, anything. But this thing only actually works for OBS, sadly. So you can see you can turn it up, turn it down. But that only works for OBS. But this works for any program. Skype, Discord, VR chat. Like you can see, I have it installed. I don't know why. I don't know. Any other program that uses voice chat. You could use it for what's it called? I don't even know any other ones. You could use it for, yeah, I don't even know. Okay, whatever. But you can use it for anything, not just OBS, because OBS has their own built-in system configuration editor. But yeah, guys, hope you all enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.